Is your best friend waiting for you for fresh water to stay hydrated? Use Lumla Pet Fountain to let your buddy stay refreshed even when you are not around. Setup takes only a few minutes. Attach the water pump in the center of the container. Make sure you put the wire through the open space and plug it in the wall. Fill the holding cup with water. It holds up to 4 liters. Next, place the water bowl on top with the pump in the center. Add the filter and place the top of the fountain. That is it. Your best friend is now ready to stay hydrated. They will love it, and it will add an added touch to your living space.
Did you know your pet needs 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight each day? The PetSafe DrinkWell Platinum Fountain provides your pet with over a gallon of fresh filtered water, and the reservoir makes refills easy. Keep your pet healthy and hydrated. PetSafe. Protect, teach, love.
Did you know that adequate water intake is very important for your pet's overall health? Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm here to tell you about the stylish DrinkWell Avalon Ceramic Pet Fountain. The Avalon Pet Fountain constantly circulates 70 ounces of fresh filtered water. The upper and lower dish provide 2 drinking areas, and the circular design makes it easily approachable. The dual-free falling streams encourage your pet to drink more. The activated carbon filter, made from coconut shells, removes bad taste and odors, while the foam filter protects the pump by catching hair and debris from the water. The ceramic design comes apart for easy cleaning and is top shelf, dishwasher safe. The Avalon Ceramic Pet Fountain is available in 2 colors, white porcelain and red stoneware. Now is the time to lose the old water bowl and upgrade to the DrinkWell Avalon Pet Fountain. Until next time, I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.